my name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. In the left navigation section here, you find where you also can control the dynamic layer possibility, the ability to make bulk actions. That means that you can just select some of the components in your application and make actions to all of them at the same time. This is very, very handy because it saves a lot of time. And you can set, for example, the color as we have seen here, or you even have more actions that you can see here. We can just control for all these selected components, these things by the same time. Let's say I want to have border radius to 8 pixel, and I can just set this here. Not yet to see because there is no border, but that is the idea of this action and how they apply. We hope you enjoy these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.